You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'll be looking at BTC USD. I found out a very important price pattern and I want you to look at it. So watch the video to the end. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, Remit Trade, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and don't forget to smash the notification bell. So right here, if you look at Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, you see we are in an uptrend. One thing very important about crypto is that if we are in a downtrend in a time frame, then we can be in an uptrend on another time frame. So if you look at here, this is a higher high and this is a higher high, okay? So and we see here higher low and higher low here as well. Now if I go back to the 1 day chart, so on the 1 day chart here, you see the market is in a downtrend already. So we see the market right here in a downtrend from this point right down. So on the 4-hour chart here, something very important, guys, that you need to take note of for the next BTC move. We see a descending triangle. So a descending triangle appear from this point right down to this area. So this point is a descending triangle, and this descending triangle in a downtrend means that market is going to break out to the downside. Descending triangle, like we see here, is a bearish pattern. I mean this trend line and this horizontal line. If market break through the horizontal line here, then that means market is going to go back down. We want to see a bearish breakout on this horizontal line. That means market is going to go down, and the possible target if market goes down is this point. Then also, it is not a guarantee when you see a descending triangle, which is a bearish pattern on a downtrend, that doesn't mean market must always go down. Market could potentially break out on this trend line. So if you see the market break out on this trend line right here, that means market will go up, and that is what I am expecting on BTC. So if this breakout happen, I am looking at the market come back to this very level. Once you see market come back to this level, then the move have started on BTC. So that is what I am expecting on BTC. And then if you look at this area as well, we see a descending channel right here. Market go down. After the movement within the channel, we see a breakdown to this level, and then this descending triangle appear right here. This breakout on this descending triangle with a bullish close on this area will make the market to move up to this very first target. And then if the market break down from this level, then it will make the market to go right to this point, because this is a very key support level. I'll talk about the 41k and 42k level at this point, which is a critical level for Bitcoin right now. And then if we break through this right down, then Bitcoin is going to go right down to this area. But I don't see the possibility yet of Bitcoin breaking this level. It exists, but the possibility is not fast coming right now. So that is what I am expecting on Bitcoin. Then if you look at the BTC dominance here, you discover we see a slight move to the upside. So as far as we are still above this strong support level, it's still okay. And then if we break out, guys, if we break out on this support level right down, then we're going to see the biggest altcoin season in the history of cryptocurrency. If we see a breakout right down on this BTC dominant chart, then if we see a move to the upside, then Bitcoin is going to move very fast, and Ethereum plus other coin is going to move with it as well. So that is that for today's video. And then if you've not subscribed to this channel, please help subscribe. If you're not registered on Binance, OKX and KuCoin, please check the link in the description of this video and do your registration right now. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.